Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and try the welcome workout on ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and either buy a subscription or go ahead and start the free trial, because there is no free option to use ladder. So once you've started a trial and open up the application, you're going to be prompted by the quiz, from where you can get started with selecting your team right here in the bottom right corner. So once you've selected your team, now we can go ahead and go back to the main workout page right here, and as you can see, the first thing you're going to see is the welcome workout. So basically you are going to complete the fitness quiz if you have not already and select the coach team, and then you're going to be greeted with the welcome workout. If you have already completed the welcome workout, you're probably not going to see it right here on the home page. So what you need to do is go ahead and select a new coach or team and complete the quiz again, and then you're going to be prompted with a welcome workout for a different coach and so on. And this is how you get started trying out the welcome workout, after which you can continue on to different workouts, programs and so on, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.